a very useful tool. In fact, I faced this situation when I was planning my wedding and I needed a way to randomize the order in which certain people came in to the celebration. And so I thought this would be a good tool to share with you because it might be useful for other situations. What we call this is the randomize and sort method. So what we do is the steps that we have. The first thing I've done is I've put the name and the order of the people. These are the people that I needed to sort. And I didn't want to play favorites, right? And so I needed to find a way to order them. So what I did was, in the column next to the name, right? So underneath order, I typed in equals to rand or random, depending on the kind of Excel that you're using. And I just close the parenthesis and press enter. And what you will find is that a random number is produced. And what I do in step 2, I actually drag this number down. So as you will notice, Excel just produces a random number. Okay. What I do then is I highlight this range. So I'm going to start over here and highlight this range. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to data. I'm going to click sort range. I'm going to say that the data has a header row, and I'm going to sort this by the order. In other words, this heading right here. And I could sort that from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I'm going to just click sort. And what you will notice is now James is at the top, Tandi is second, Janet is third, Pravesh is fourth, and Sam is fifth. And so this is a way in which I've randomized and I've sort this list. And you can do this with hundreds of people if you need to produce a random order for a lottery or for all kinds of purposes. This kind of method could be very helpful to you. One caveat though is the minute you change any of these cells, so for example if I type something down here, let's say I type the number 2, these numbers will change. And so when you're randomizing and sorting, make sure that you do it once and don't make any changes because your order may change as well. Thank you for listening to this lecture, and please remember to give me a review if you're enjoying this course.